Hello, folks. Let's do today's CSS Daily Target. It is not, so I think I was saying yesterday that one was a follow-up to the other. This is not a follow-up to anything. All right, so let's see what we got. I think this could be accomplished all on the body. So if that's so, let's put the light green on the background, and we won't bother with a margin. And I think we don't need a sub element, so we'll start with a radial gradient, which is a circle. Shall we transparent in the middle? Some number. Let's try 20Q, and then the dark color. 0, 30Q, and then transparent. So that's how we get a circle. And then we would like it to be at 0, 0, and then have a width, 50%. That's how you get two circles. And that actually looks like it's going to be dead on. Circle's not big enough. Let's try 100. Nope, too big. 70, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 64, 63, 64. Yeah, not super crazy about that. How about 30, 31, 32? And that's how you get two circles. So what's next? I think so the middle of that circle is not transparent. It's in fact that green. So now we've got that. So let's then do, I think we need two linear gradients. I don't see another quite way to do it. Or actually we do a conic gradient. I know you're surprised, Joe, that you're doing a conic gradient, but you're not really surprised. Okay, so we're gonna say we're gonna have it be over 40 pixels and 100 pixels down. And then the width is going to be finite, 100 pixels, 100 pixels. Let's say, I know those aren't the right numbers. And then we're going to do transparent on the middle, 25% of that. And then, so that's how you get squares like that. And now I'm going to add a no repeat. And then, just for our sanity, I'm going to comment out the radial gradients. So what I would like to do is do that conic gradient, and actually, it's going to be far easier if I do the dark color, 25%, transparent, 0, 50%, like so. Okay. Which I think it's the same basic plan, but that means I can do it here. And then when I repeat it, it'll be fine. So okay, so let's move that over more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 80, and then down 1, 10, 20, 30, 35, and then this is 85, and we want that to be wider, 20, yep, okay, and then taller, 200. And then we need an at value, at 25, 20 pixels, 20 pixels. How about 30? Okay. And when we let it repeat, y, so there's the problem. I was thinking it was going to be simple. And it is fairly simple. So let's uncomment that. We do need to, or at least I'm not thinking of a way to do this. So I want to do, so the color here is this light green, and then I need a covering layer. So linear gradient from left to right. Which will be the light green to cover, transparent, and light green again, and it's at 9 degrees, and it's like 20%, 0, 80%, 0, and Bob's your uncle. Submit. I think the numbers, yeah. So we got to do real numbers here. 30 pixels, and that is far better match. And this will be what, 60 pixels, and then we submit that. Additionally, we don't need this, and we don't need a trailing that. We'll use the unit replace plugin, and then we'll minify, and that is still a good match. And we'll submit, and then we're done. There are other choices here for how to accomplish this. I like this one. I think if we did it using the nested technique, we would run into a little bit of an issue at these edges. If we did a conic gradient as the background, I think you would see that it was not clean. But you could do the body element just with the circles in the middle part, and then this one. So a lot of choices. This is another one that has me thinking there's many different ways to do this. But this is the one for today. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Make a web page. Web pages are awesome. Send a web page to your friend. Everybody's carrying around web browsers in their pockets. At least most people are. And take care. Bye-bye.